Hey guys, it's Drea. So today I have a really quick and dirty video for you. This is all about products that I regret decluttering. I just want to kind of preface this by saying I don't usually regret decluttering, much. But there have been a few things. 2 years ago I did a big declutter, and then just recently on my channel I did a declutter. The only thing that I regret decluttering from way back when, I had actually, after that decluttered, went back and taken it back out of the pile and kept it again. And I only did that with one product. This time around, I've done that with 3 products. And you know I got rid of a ton. Like, it was a savage declutter. If you have not seen my declutters, I'll link to the playlist below. But I do have 4 products here that I regretted decluttering that I took back out and are now back in my collection. And I don't like to do a bait and switch when it comes to decluttering. So I really did think kind of long and hard about these things and make sure that I actually do want them. So let's just talk about them quickly. This is the product, the only one thing that I took back out of my original declutter. This is an eyeshadow from NARS. It's called Persia. It is this like intense orange shade. I bought this because of Samantha Robindahl. I don't know which tutorial it was way back when that I saw her do with this, but I fell in love with this color. I very rarely ever use it. Look at how intense this is though for an orange. I feel like this is the kind of orange shade that you maybe didn't see in palettes way back when, but now that so many palettes are so warm, you do see this kind of orange more and more and more. So I still don't get a ton of use out of it, but it's really good for like a nice crease shade for really warming up a look. And I don't know, I just can't really let go of this. There's something about it, I can't let go of it. Okay, for my most recent declutter, there's only a couple things. After I had decluttered this, I actually kept thinking about it over and over, and this is from Maybelline. This is the Gigi Hadid Gel Eyeliner. It's just a black eyeliner, and really I decluttered it because it transfers. So if I put it in my upper lash line, it will transfer down into my lower waterline, and if I'm doing a look where I don't want to line my waterline with black, that's a problem. But this is such an intense, dark, creamy black. Like, look at how smooth, it needs to be sharpened, but look at how smooth and intensely black that is. That is crazy. So I kept thinking about this going, even though it transfers, it's great for those times when you do want a fully black lined look because it goes on so creamy and so intense that it's just a really good eyeliner to have. So I have put this back in my collection. The last 2 products are lip products. I'm wearing both of them right now. One of them is a lip liner. This is from Sephora. This is one of their contour gel lip liners. They have a bunch of colors in these. They are really great. I think the only reason I decluttered this was because I have a lot of nudes and neutrals. But again, I kind of regretted doing it because it's such a nice formula. Like, it's just so creamy and so nice to put on. It's just a beautiful, like, everyday pinky nude shade. So I did put it on today with this look, and there's nothing wrong with it. It hasn't gone bad, so there's no reason to just get rid of it. I'm just gonna hang on to it and just work through it like I will with my other products. And then the very last thing is this. This is the liquid lipstick I'm wearing. This is from Jouer. It is their lip cream in the shade Melon. I actually got this in a Beautylish Lucky Bag 2 years ago, and I mean, you can see it on my lips right now. I don't know if I need to swatch it, but I will. Just a beautiful everyday neutral shade that goes with everything. And again, I decluttered it because I have so many shades like this, but I like to have a little bit of variety when it comes to brands in my collection. And I don't know, I just regretted it. I just like this formula. It's such a good formula. It doesn't dry out my lips, but yet it doesn't transfer. Like, you can't say that about every liquid lipstick in the world, And then it smells amazing. Like, it smells like super sweet buttercream frosting. It's just so great. So those are all the products that I regretted decluttering. There's nothing really else. Like, once I get something out of my life, I kind of like just say, see ya, sayonara. Don't want to see you again. And so there's not really anything else that I really can think of that I regretted decluttering. But a few of you were asking me for this video, and I definitely had it on my list. So I'm glad that I finally got around to it. But that is it for today. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.